Hello animal friends. Today we are going to explore some of the myths that have developed in the community, and that we may have heard before. There are 3 myths that we will uncover in this video, which come from some animals such as owls, snakes and bats. Are they really myths or are there facts behind them? Keep watching this video, and you'll find out. Let's get started. 1. Owls bring bad luck. Believing that owls bring bad luck is one of the beliefs or myths that have circulated in the cultures and traditions of people in various parts of the world. This myth may have arisen because owls are often associated with darkness, the silence of the night, and mysterious activities that occur when it is dark. The presence of owls in popular culture is often associated with mystical things or even death, so they are considered a bad sign or jinx. However, scientifically, there is no evidence to support the claim that owls are actually jinxed. Owls are nocturnal predatory animals that have an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem by hunting pests, such as mice and insects, at night. They have a significant role in the food chain and natural ecosystem. So, the statement that owls are bad luck is a myth. There is no scientific evidence to support this claim, and owls actually have a positive role in maintaining the balance of nature and ecosystems. Negative views towards owls may have more to do with cultural heritage and beliefs developed from the past than any real scientific fact. 2. Snakes bring good luck. Believing that snakes bring good luck is one of the beliefs that has developed in various cultures and societies. The term snakes usually refers to a series of coincidences or events that appear to be related, especially if there is a connection between them that is considered a sign or clue. Some people believe that seeing a snake or experiencing a series of events involving snakes is a positive omen or good luck is coming. However, scientifically, there is no evidence to support the claim that snakes actually bring good luck. Luck is a highly subjective concept and is often influenced by individual beliefs and interpretations. Snakes as animals do not inherently have magical powers or the ability to bring good or bad luck. Positive or negative views of snakes have more to do with myths, traditions and cultural associations that have developed over time. Thus, the assertion that snakes bring good luck is a myth. There is no scientific evidence to support this claim, and luck is more of a subjective perception and interpretation than something that can be predicted or linked to the presence of snakes. Interpretations of snakes as a sign of good luck or bad luck are more likely to be influenced by cultural factors and personal beliefs of each individual. 3. Bats are the dirtiest animals in the world. The statement that bats are the dirtiest animals in the world is one of those myths that has no scientific basis. Bats, like other animals, have hygiene and behaviors that suit the habitat and environment in which they live. Naturally, bats keep their bodies clean by licking their fur regularly. They have oil glands in their skin that help keep their fur clean and reduce dirt buildup. Bats also play an important role in maintaining the natural ecosystem. As insect predators, they help control insect populations that can carry diseases or damage agricultural crops. Bats have many adaptations and behaviors that allow them to survive and function well in the environment in which they live. So, the statement that bats are the dirtiest animals in the world is a myth. Bats have natural mechanisms to keep their bodies clean and play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. The negative view of bats as dirty animals may stem from misconceptions or stereotypes developed from the past. So that's our video today. Hopefully this video can answer our questions so far about the myths that have developed in society. Stay tuned for other interesting videos from this channel. Thank you for your togetherness.